Hey everyone, Mia here with Exodus Capital. Today we're diving into one of the biggest challenges facing Gen Z and Millennials, financial stress. Now listen, you're going to want to stick with me all the way through, because I've got some secret insights you don't want to miss. They could completely shift the way you look at money. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this video with your family, friends, and coworkers. The more you interact, the more the algorithm pushes this content to people who really need it. For young adults today, it feels like the deck is stacked against you. Student debt, it's crushing. You're graduating with tens of thousands in loans and being told to just figure it out. That debt delays everything. Buying a home, starting a family, even just feeling free. And then there's housing affordability. With prices sky high, so many are stuck living with parents or roommates just to make ends meet. And let's talk jobs. Stable, high-paying careers are tough to land. Instead, people are forced into gig work or unpaid internships. Even if you get a decent job, you're expected to constantly reskill or upskill just to stay relevant. Honestly, it's exhausting. This stress isn't just about numbers. It's about your mental health. Anxiety, depression, strained relationships, all of it is tied to money struggles. When you're always worried about bills, it's hard to focus on the bigger picture of life. And the truth is, so many people are silently battling this every day. If this is hitting home, know you're not alone. At Exodus Capital, we've built courses to help people like you break free from financial stress and start building real wealth. If you're ready to take that step, click the link in the description and enroll today. Let's be real, prices are going up everywhere. Food, transportation, housing, the essentials. But wages, they're barely moving. It feels like you're working harder and harder just to stay in the same place. And society piles it on. Save more, invest more, earn more. It's like nothing you do is ever enough. And here's the thing. This isn't just about individuals making mistakes. The system itself is broken. The way education, debt, and housing are set up makes it nearly impossible for young adults to thrive without stress. That's why real financial literacy is so important. It's not about quick hacks. It's about changing how we think about money entirely. I know someone who graduated with massive student debt and had to move back in with their parents. It wasn't just the money, it was the shame, the embarrassment. They're working hard but feel stuck. And that feeling, way more common than most people realize. So here's the takeaway. Financial stress is real, but it doesn't have to control your life. When you're under constant financial pressure, you're more likely to make impulsive decisions. Maybe it's overspending when you're stressed. Maybe it's sacrificing your health, skipping doctor visits, eating cheap but unhealthy food, just to save a buck. And these choices, they add up over time. Stress isn't just mental, it impacts physical health too. Financial stress also impacts relationships. Arguments about money are one of the biggest causes of breakups and divorces. And beyond that, it shapes lifestyle choices. People are delaying marriage, delaying kids, and sometimes even giving up on their dreams because they don't feel financially secure enough. Add in societal expectations. You're told to have a nice car, a great apartment, travel, invest, save. All while wages haven't kept up. It's no wonder people feel like they're never good enough. If you're feeling that pressure, you're not alone. At Exodus Capital, our courses are designed to give you real tools for navigating these challenges. Check out the link in the description and take that first step.